This is Amy from RealEnglishConversations.com, and today I am going to talk about something that I see my students saying incorrectly, really. The verb is feel. So when you're talking about how you feel, you only need to use the word feel in English. Obviously, you're going to change the verb tense to be related to the time that you're talking about. If it's in the past, you have to say felt, that sort of thing. But when I hear my students using feel, I often hear them say, for example, I feel myself tired. Because in a lot of other languages, this is a reflexive verb and it's necessary to say, I feel myself tired. And in English, that's not the case. You just need to say, I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel like going out for dinner, which means I have the desire to go out for dinner or something like that. So the next time that you're trying to use the verb feel and you're talking about emotions, you can just use the verb feel and try to avoid using the reflexive, like myself, yourself, himself, with the verb feel, because it's not correct in English. So I hope that that helps you and improves your conversations and your speaking abilities. Don't forget to come to our website, RealEnglishConversations.com, where we have many tips available, lots of lessons and advice that is really going to help you to learn, to speak confidently and fluently, and understand native speakers.